Hi, my name's Dee, welcome to KH Motorcycles. Today I'm going to show around this APRILIA Tuono 660 factory. Start at the front, go around as usual. It's just be a quick video. The ABS, the BREMBO brakes, front and rear. Just have the EvoTech rad guard through there. It's a 2023 bike, so as you expect it's in really good condition. Casings look good, obviously EvoTech crash bungs as well. Always a good thing to have. There's the Brembos on the back. Does have the stock exhaust on. Just take it around the front. Be a racer. As with all our bikes, this will be fully PDI'd to our standards that we like to do, because we're all bikers. We want you to have the bike how we'd have the bike. It's obviously quick shifted. Right, let's start this bad boy up. Running lights look lovely on these, my personal opinion anyway. 1,429 mile on the clock. And that's it for me. You can find us on voice chat, WhatsApp, all social medias. Pop in, sit on it yourself, come say hello.